Welcome to the all-new Qasair Ducting Calculator by Addison Appliances. The home screen has 4 categories: single, double, triple, and barbecue ducting. Choose the category that matches your installation. In each category, you'll see approved ducting components laid out clearly. All the details are visible as you scroll, and colours when available. To add an item, just press the plus button. Each press adds 1 to your cart. Press minus to reduce the quantity. It's fast and easy. For colours, select the colour first and add it to your cart. You can add as many colours as you need for that specific component. Everything you add goes straight into the cart. You can adjust quantities, remove items, or keep adding until your full ducting list is complete. In the cart, you have 3 options: copy to clipboard, copy your list for quoting or sending to a client. Request a custom quote, send your list to Addison Appliances for advice or pricing. Checkout. Enter your details and order your approved Qasair ducting for delivery to you or your worksite. If you're ordering from the calculator, put in all your details and at the bottom a site contact in case it's different from your details. Once checkout is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email and your invoice for that order. The new Qasair Ducting Calculator by Addison Appliances. A quick, simple way to plan, quote, and order the right ducting for every job.